Welcome guys. This is VGO Tel new 15 Pro. Make space with blade between back cover and body. With X-ray or with any plastic paper, remove back cover of the phone. Eject SIM tray from the phone. Remove all the screw. Remove inner body. Do not damage flex while remove inner body. Disconnect flex connector. Pull up wireless charging coil. Disconnect battery connector. Pull up tape and free to battery. Remove battery from the body. Install new battery in the body. Connect battery connector. Put back wireless charging coil. Install inner body. Put back all the screw. Apply gum around the body on place of back cover of the phone. Install back cover of the phone. Insert SIM tray in the phone. Must use rubber bands for good fitting. Remove rubber bands after 2 hours. Thank you for watching.